And today here at Boynton, guys, has been a jet ski invasion. One of the local jet ski clubs has come out in force, and there's been about 100 jet skis that have launched here. But now it's time for the infamous jet ski retrievals, and we all know those can be fun to watch. Welcome back, everybody, to the greatest show on earth, and that is the Miami Boat Ramps channel. I'm your host, Broncos Guru, in collaboration with our boy Wavy Boats, and it's another Wavy Guru Productions back at the ramp. And today we are visiting Boynton Beach, and I got a feeling we're going to see some fun ones, especially with people trying to back these single jet ski trailers up. It apparently is one of the hardest things on the water. Never really struggled for me, but I'm sure we're going to see some fun actions with it today. And here comes one of our first crews in the first lane, trying to back up that old single jet ski trailer. Let's see how our guy fares. And actually winds up looking pretty solid. Coming off the ramp a little at the end, but I think they'll be okay. And we see somebody else doing it in the middle of the screen. They're all right this second as well. And the red jet ski you see here just to the left of the screen is the jet ski that's coming around to get on this trailer. Once again, it's kind of an awkward scene because jet skis are just kind of docking everywhere, and these guys are just trying to back them in as they can. So our guy's backing up. Let's see if he can get her on the first attempt. Little debris in the water, gotta watch out. Don't want to suck that up on a ski. Coming in a funky angle, he's gonna completely miss the trailer. Oh no, we're gonna wind up on the rocks. My guy just completely missed on his approach. Fortunately, the ski, which doesn't draft much, doesn't have an outboard or anything hanging off the back, he's able to recover. And we'll land it on the second attempt, but man, he missed hard on the first one. And here comes our next single jet ski trailer with the backup attempt. And we're gonna get the old backup assist in action, it looks like. Low and easy, but kind of heading toward the dock. It might stay just far enough away where they can get in the water, though. And here, my man's wife in full effect, making sure our guy gets the assist as he tries to get this thing back down here. And she quickly notices he's probably going to need a little more help. The truck that was pulling out, well, they're still trying to get their pontoon, it looks like, on right. So wife comes back over, lends another helping hand. Let's see if attempt 2 works. His wife's gonna go ahead and give the third assist. In this one, I mean, guys, just pop that tailgate down. You can see the trailer. Life's made easy. Because that's what makes these the most difficult. When you are in perfect alignment on this, you can't see the trailer. So by the time you see the trailer, you done messed up. It's already too late. Wife's giving the assist saying, come on, bro, back her up. And she's gonna try dragging it one more time. Let's see if this is the time that gets him in the water. I think we moved 2 inches. No, he got out of the truck. Gonna try and straighten it right himself. He looked frustrated with that one, but man, bro, you're the one who's got the trailer all jacked up, not her. So he's gonna try and back it up some more. Again, drop the tailgate, bro. You'll see it a whole lot easier. Let's see if after his adjustment he's able to get it in. And we got a couple feet. Did he stop again? Slow and easy does it, I guess. This wife's giving him some encouragement, waving her hand like back it down. And she's going to have to walk down here and do it again. I mean, let me know in the comments below, have you guys ever tried backing up a single jet ski trailer? It's been a few years since I've owned one. I have done it many a times. What is your thoughts on this? Do you guys drop the tailgate, keep the tailgate closed? Do you not need it? You can do it perfect without it? Let me know in the comments. I'm always interested to hear how you guys do it. He gets him straightened out. He actually does a couple feet on this move. Maybe this will be the one that will get him in the water. And somebody just screamed, woo! And I'm going to give him the woo scream as well, because right there, it looks like our crew finally has it. Or is his wife going to have to get wet as she tries to move the trailer over? And I think, I don't know if we're in the water. It's tough to tell from this angle. And they've got to be getting close. They should be good to go now. And here we go. Look up here. We got another crew getting the assist as well. Everybody's been struggling today trying to get this done. Oh, they're going to jackknife it. No, 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 no. Stop. And my man just goes through the straight drag before they can jackknife it. The truck keeps going. That was close. I thought for sure for a moment they were jackknifing it. They definitely were if the guy didn't grab the trailer and pull it over. Now the truck goes back and straightens it out, but that was a close call. Look to have a little better control here on the second attempt. Again, the double trailer, no problem, but it's because they can see it the whole way down. And here comes our next one, and up, bro. Pull, pull, pull! Oh, no, yo, stop! Man, this is just wild and brutal to watch. And I think they got it on the second attempt. Pretty solid on that one, though. And they'll be able to get out of here from here. And speaking of getting out of here, let's get out of here as well. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Miami Boat Ramps. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, we do some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we got Boats versus Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet. If you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.